In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move frame by frame in Clipchamp. So if you're trying to move frame by frame or you're trying to get a specific spot, it can be quite hard if you're using the cursor like this. It's laggy and it's not very accurate. Now, another option, which is also quite difficult, is using the arrows. So if you use the arrows like this, you can see that it's definitely not going frame by frame. It's going like every 20 frames. Now, the solution for this is not perfect, but I'm going to show you the best way to do it. What you want to do here is come to the zoom in tool, and you want to keep clicking this, keep clicking it for as long as it will go. And you see I'm maxed out there. Now, we're pretty good here. We're zoomed in a lot. Now if you use the arrow, you can see it's pretty much frame by frame at this point. And it's way better than how we had it before. But then from here, you can make your intricate changes or whatever you need to do. And you can also click here and drag along to get it accurate one and let go once you've got it where you want it. And you can split it there. But this is just a way to get it frame by frame and get it a lot more accurate than if you were really zoomed out. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.